Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications in the Apple Developer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page. And then click on the notifications button. And as you can see, here you can find all the features that you can enable to receive notifications on. So just click on the white circle next to those that you want. And once they turn green, the notifications are on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.